Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I am coming to you from inside of my beautiful tiny home on wheels named Domino. Alright my friends, I've been in Oregon for the past I think 5 days and it's time for me to officially start my drive and make my way to Florida. This is going to be a long drive. I have about 2,900 miles if I go like just the straight shot, no detours, but it's going to be longer than 2,900 miles because I'm not staying on the regular path. So let's go ahead and get going. I am driving, I think maybe like 2.5-3 hours today. I found a beautiful spot located, I think on like the Columbia or Columbian River. I'm not sure the name, but I'll show y'all in a few. So there is Jada baby finishing up her breakfast, and yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So pretty. For the past 7 weeks, I've been in Northern Washington, tucked away, preparing myself for a huge transition in life. Solo van life. Andrew and I had decided to go our separate ways, and at that time I was fortunate enough to have a safe place where Jada and I could stay in Dom, regroup, and prepare to start our new journey. Unfortunately, I didn't film much for YouTube. I enjoyed the community I was hanging with, worked on collaborations for new partnerships, and slowly got back into the flow of being solo. I spent many days going back and forth deciding when and if I was going to return to YouTube. It's been so long, it kind of felt weird talking to the camera until I remembered who was on the other end. You guys, my friends. I've missed you all so much, and I hope the feeling's mutual. Good morning, friends. It is a new morning here in the apple orchard. I have some coffee, I have my water, Jada has her ball, and you can kind of smell some smoke in the air. Today is Saturday, by the way, and I plan on leaving here Monday. And I really don't have much time, so tomorrow to like try and keep like stress levels low, I'm gonna wait and plan out my route tomorrow because it's just smoke and fire everywhere around us, especially in Idaho. So I just kind of plan on waiting until, you know, I guess the last minute to kind of figure out which route I want to take. But today I'm gonna do some cleaning up inside of Dom, get her nice and ready, then do like my official pack up tomorrow of Domino. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my morning out here. It's still really pretty. It's a little foggy, or I guess smoky, but the smoke smell isn't like hardcore. It's just a slight smoke smell in the air. Yeah. Here's a quick look inside of Dom. I spent the day cleaning and reorganizing. I even Swiffered the floor. And here's underneath the loft. It's still so much stuff, but it is what it is. And lastly, groceries. So we made it to Sandy, Oregon to hide away from the Idaho fires. I skipped on filming my exit from Washington. I was an emotional wreck with puffy eyes, and it was just a hot mess. Good girl. It's so cute. The big dogs just love Jada. It is so cute. And for the privacy of the others at this particular location, I chose not to film much, but I did want to show y'all how I leveled up some KFC mac and cheese. Hey friends, it is a new day here in Sandy, Oregon, and I'm about to make some brunch. It is almost 1 o'clock. I just got out the shower and I already cut up some potatoes, and I have the water boiling or attempting to boil right now. And I have some leftover mac and cheese from KFC yesterday. DoorDash delivered, so I ordered some KFC. I haven't had like fast food in well over a month, so that was really nice. But yeah, I'm gonna cut up some bell peppers and stuff and make like a little, I don't know, macaroni potato cheese type situation, and that is going to be my brunch today. So yeah, let me get back to Austin Powers and I'll show you how everything looks. So I put my water bottle on my bed and it wasn't closed all the way, so water leaked. So I have to tend to that, unfortunately. I have a mattress cover, so it's not going to mess up the mattress itself, but I have a mattress topper, and the topper has basically soaked up everything, so I have to get that stuff ready to dry out. So over half of my 32-ounce bottle came on the bed, and like it's all just sitting here. So I think I am just going to throw this out. Luckily nothing came through. It's just all in this mattress topper. So I think it's just time to chuck a deuce to it. I've had it for over a year now, so whatever. But I have to dry. Now I have to dry the rest of my stuff. Alrighty, my friends, we have officially made it to our first stop. We have like 2,800 and something miles to go, so let's enjoy this spot while we're here. So we do have water access down there. I'll show you guys what that looks like later. But here is a cute little 360. Let me zoom out. There we go. How nice, right? So there's other like designated spots on the paveway over there, but I was able to find this little pull-in like off the side or whatever, which is super cute. I have some shade, and then Jada has a nice little space for us to play fetch, so it's nice. It's not like super quiet, which is perfectly fine. I'm okay with, you know, road sound and stuff like that, and there's people near, It looks like across the way there is a train track, which is fine. I mean, the spot is free, so I'm not mad at it. Yeah, so I've already put down a little blanket and I just been playing fetch with Jada, but I'm just gonna sit down and kind of like just enjoy the spot. Don't mind me just doing a little dancey dance because I really love this spot that I'm at. For lunch, I end up having, you know, one of those bag little Caesar salads. Okay, and let's get into dinner for tonight. It is one of Mountain House's adventure meals, the beef stew, which is actually one of my favorites. And that was dinner, and this is where I'm going to end the video, my friends. We will pick back up at this location. Thank you so much for tuning in to find out where is Brittany. I'll see you next time. Bye.